Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another BizMates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn to fast track something. Okay, so to find out what this means and how to use it, stay tuned. But first, let's kick off today's video with a quick review of last week's class. Alright, so imagine I say, I hear you decided on the name of our new product. And maybe you did, but you actually changed your mind. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Alright, and go! Okay, and time is up. If you said, well, actually, I had a change of heart, I need more time to think about it, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, so let's move on to fast track something. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so I'm working at the office with my colleague Taro, but things aren't going so well. We are not making good progress with our project, so I say, you know, Taro, we are way behind schedule. Taro says, yes, we need to make priority our progress. Okay, so maybe the progress of the project, maybe it's not a high priority, okay, maybe it's kind of down here in the middle somewhere. So we need to make our progress a priority. Yeah, I think this is okay, I understand. However, you might hear a native English speaker say, yes, we need to fast track our progress. This means we need to make it a top priority. We need to speed up, okay? We need to work quickly. It has to be a top priority. So we need to fast track the project in this case, or fast track our progress, okay? So for example, you could also say we need to fast track our time frame. Okay, so maybe the project timeline or time frame is like this, but you know, we have a deadline, we need to make sure we get it out early, so we might shorten it. We need to make it a priority, we need to focus on it, we need to speed it up, we need to fast track it, okay? Alright, so please remember that for next week. Now, pronunciation, so please repeat after me, everyone. We need to fast track our progress. Your turn. Okay, great. Now, after my sentence here, we are way behind schedule. What should we do? That's right, yep. We need to fast track our progress. Okay, all right. So please keep this in mind. We'll touch on this in our class next week for the review. Okay, everyone. So our bonus question this week is another way to say relax. All right, take it easy, but it's something else. I'll give you a hint. It starts with smell and it ends with some kind of flower. All right, if you know what the answer is, please leave it in the comments below. If you don't know what the answer is, you can find it in one of our previous BizMates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you have the time. All right, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, and we will see you next time. Thank you.